We turn now to a major economic issue that threatens U.S. national security. President Biden pushing a new bill to decrease our reliance on foreign microchips, primarily from China. Joe Khalil explains why this is a top priority right now for the White House.
There's not a thing, not a single thing America cannot do. Not a single thing where we can't outcompete the rest of the world.
President Biden took his Make It in America message on the road Thursday, speaking in Greensboro, North Carolina, urging Congress to pass a bipartisan bill intended to jumpstart the manufacture of semiconductors in the U.S. and curb our reliance for them on China.
Congress needs to get this bill to my desk as quickly as possible. Our economic strength is on the line, and national security as well is on the line.
Semiconductors and microchips power everything from cars to smartphones to military equipment. The pandemic and the supply chain crises that followed made clear the U.S.'s dependence on foreign chips is a security threat.
For the sake of American workers, American consumers, and our national security, we must lead the world again. Passing this bill is critical for achieving that goal.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.